Hello, boys and girls. Today is review day before our vocabulary test. So grab that vocabulary notebook that has your words in it from last week and this week, and you may use that as we review before you take your test. All right, let's dive in. Here we go. Which word is the best synonym for briskly? That was one of our words this week. Which word is the best synonym for briskly? You have sluggishly, accept, signal, and rapidly. And that would be rapidly. Remember, briskly means to do something quickly, and rapidly is a synonym. What is the definition of ripples? This was our word last week. So think about ripples. Is it to leap at, to flow in a small wave, to silently call someone, or to beg? What is the definition of ripples? It would be to flow in a small wave. Remember, if you throw a rock in a pond, it makes ripples. Which word is an antonym for pleaded? Pleaded, this was a word last week. We have answered, wave, slowly, asked, which is an antonym. So the opposite of pleaded, that would be answered. Remember, to plead is to beg. So if I do the opposite of begging, I'm answering or responding. What is the definition of device? This was a word last week we have. Is it to leap, sheer enough to be seen through, a machine, or make a plan? What was the definition of device? A device is a machine. Remember, like a computer or a cell phone or a washer or a dryer, it's a machine that is used for a specific purpose. Which word is a synonym for beckon? This was a word last week, beckon. We have beg, jump, accept, or signal. Which word is the synonym for beckon? Synonym would be signal. Remember, beckon is to call silently or without using our words, like waving or winking at someone or pointing at them. All right, our word choices that we're going to use for the next few ones are transparent, pounce, scarce, edible, tolerate. Dinner was a little overcooked, but it was still what? Again, your choices are transparent, pounce, scarce, edible, tolerate. Which word would go in the blank? Dinner was a little overcooked, but it was still blank. The word that would go in the blank is edible. Edible means it's able to be eaten. Just because it's overcooked, you could still eat it. Same words. The bin was blank, so I could see what was inside. Our words again are transparent, pounce, scarce, edible, tolerate. The bin was transparent, meaning you can see through it. So if the bin is transparent, you can see what is inside. Same set of words. We cannot, that's supposed to say cannot, I'm sorry. We cannot buy that new coat because money is blank right now. The word choices again are transparent, pounce, scarce, edible, tolerate. We cannot buy that new coat because money is blank right now. The word that would go in the blank here would be scarce. Remember, scarce means very little of. If you don't have a lot of money, you can't buy a new coat. The child will blank on his mother as soon as he sees her. Our word choices again are transparent, pounce, scarce, edible, tolerate. The child will blank on his mother as soon as he sees her. The answer in here would be pounce. Remember, pounce is to leap in surprise, And a child would do that if they hadn't seen their mom for a while. I blank her, but would not consider her to be my best friend. Transparent, pounce, scarce, edible, tolerate. I blank her, but would not consider her to be my best friend. The word that we would put here is tolerate. You tolerate, put up with someone, but they're not your best friend. All right, I hope that you studied well with me. You'll be taking your test shortly. Use your knowledge.